Boy, that spice is making me itch.
All go on, everyone. My name is Kunji. Welcome back to Cooking with Kunji. Today we're doing part 3 in the spice review for the Reggae Spice hot and spicy wet marinade. This is an instant wet marinade. I have done the sweet and sassy, and I've done the Booyah seasonings, but today I'm doing the hot and spicy. I'm doing some spare ribs. They're cut up, and what I'm going to do today is cook them in my cast iron pan, stovetop, and then stick it in the oven for a little bit with some barbecue sauce. So stay tuned, see how I make this. I'll make a run of it. So right now I'm just searing these on all the sides to just get them a little color. And what I'm going to do next is smother them with some barbecue sauce and some bourbon, and just stick them in the oven for about 30 minutes or so. I'm hoping to get these done in about 40 minutes, and you guys will see how these look. Now it's been 30 minutes since it's been cooking in the oven at 400, still in the cast iron skillet. We're just going to take a look at it and see where it's at. Coming off the bone a little bit, still got a little ways to go. For about another 10 minutes, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go up to about 450 and leave the cover off and get a little bit of caramelization with this barbecue sauce here. Right now our stovetop and oven barbecue ribs are done. Looks really delicious. I can't wait to bite into it. Now we can talk about the seasoning. This was with the hot and spicy Reggae Spice Jamaican Jerk Instant Wet Marinade. Used about 1.5 tablespoons for, you know, this entire cook. And this was the only seasoning. Put some barbecue sauce, some green onions, garlic, and thyme. Basically it. And I'm gonna bite into this now and see how it is.
Give this a try. I'm normally behind the camera, but this taste testing. How this is.
Whoa.
Obviously right off the bat, very flavorful.
Lots of flavor, very spicy. So if you're a wimp, you don't want to have the hot and spicy. You should probably go for the sweet and sassy.
Definitely sweet and sassy.
The hot and spicy versus the sweet and sassy is the hot and spicy has habanero and the sweet and sassy does not. But this is really good.
Either way, you can't lose. This Reggae Spice.
Reggae Spice knocks this one out of the park. Thank you for watching this video today. Steps and ingredients are going to be in the description below, but the focus of this video is the hot and spicy instant wet marinade from Reggae Spice. The affiliate link is going to be down in the description where you can find these products on their website. Really great product, and I'm going to be doing more reviews on more of their products in the future. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.